Want more privacy on Telegram? In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off Contact Sync in under a minute. When Contact Sync is on, Telegram constantly uploads your phone contacts to its servers to find people you know. If you prefer to keep your address book private, turning this off is a smart move. Let's jump into the app together, step by step, so you can disable contact syncing right now. Make sure you're signed into Telegram on your phone and start on the main chat list screen. Once you're on this screen, we'll head into the settings where all the privacy controls live. First, tap your profile icon or the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. From the side menu, tap on Settings. This is where we'll control your privacy options. Next, in Settings, tap on Privacy and Security. That's where contact syncing lives. Scroll down until you see the Sync Contacts toggle. On some phones, it's under the Contacts section. Now, simply tap the Sync Contacts switch to turn it off. The toggle should change color or move to the left. That's it. Contact syncing is now disabled. Your address book stays on your phone. If you found this helpful, hit like and share it with someone who uses Telegram.